Have you ever asked yourself how you can change your Facebook page name? Yes, in this video, I've brought you the simple ways and simple methods on how to change your Facebook page name. So make sure you watch with me this video up at the end to see how to do it. So the first thing you must make sure is that you must make sure that you log into your Facebook account using the Chrome browser. So you must log into your Facebook account using Chrome browser, because to change the Facebook page name, you cannot change it using when you log into your Facebook app. So using the Facebook application, you can't change your Facebook page name. But in order to do it, you must log into your account. You must log into your Facebook account using the Chrome browser. So for this case, you just open your mobile browser. For this case, you can use Chrome, you can use any browser you trust. So after there, you just just come to Facebook. You just come to facebook.com. You just type there facebook.com. Then after that, you log into your account using this Chrome browser easily. Then for this case, if you log into your Facebook account, they'll be asked you'll be asked to put your password and the username. But for my case, I already I already put there all of them. But for your case, you must log into your Facebook account by putting there your your username and your password and your email, anything you used to create your Facebook account. So after logging into your Facebook account on your browser, you just come here in the upper right hand corner. You just come in the upper right hand corner here, and you tap on these fill lines. You just come and tap on those fill lines up there. So just tap on those fill lines up there. Just come and tap on the page you want to change the name. So for my case, my page is just here, just right here. So you just come in, tap on it. Then after here, you'll see that they open for you your page here, and what you're going to do is you just come here to more. So you'll just come here to more there and tap on more. Then after that, you just come to edit settings, or here up to edit page. So you just come and tap on edit page here. So you just come in, tap on edit page. Then after that, they will open the page panel here, the edit page panel here. And for this case, remember you want to change the name of your Facebook page. So you just come here to page information. So just come here to page information right here. So just come there, tap on page information there. From when you tap on page information, they'll take you to update page information, and you just come to your about section here, and you tap on name, the name you want to change. On your about section here, there is a name here, you just tap on it. Then after tapping on that about section, they'll take you to request the up here. There is request a new page name, and down here there is enter a new page name. When Facebook reviews the name changes to protect the identity or the businesses, brands and organizations that pages represent. So for this case, you just tap on that thing, and you just put there the name you want to change. Okay, you want to put there, so Jimmy Jamix. So for this case, you just change the name like that. Then after that, you just continue. But before that, up down here, there is Facebook page naming tips. You can read through down here. Do not use the name that accurately you have to use the name that accurately represents what this page is about, and do match the name of your business, brand, or organization, and don't mislead people by represent person, business, organization other than your own. So you can read all through, but also the name, it must be 75 characters long, and you can make it as short as possible so that people can be able to search it. So afterward, you just tap on continue. So you just come here and tap on continue here. Then after that, here they show you that you are requested the following, change your name to your page name, and the current page name, it will be here up, and the requested page name, it will be down here. So they'll take you also through the things that you must do, and you must read through here that our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. So if you change if your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or like change the name again for 7 days. So during this time, you may also let the people who like your page know the name is being updated. So like they'll review like your request in 3 days, and it will require additional information and so on. So and you can't request anything, and you can't like change them again for 7 days. So after like reading all the things, you can request change here. You just come down here and request change. Then after like requesting your change, they'll tell you that we are reviewing your name change request. So we are reviewing your page name request. So now we will send you notification within 3 days when our review is complete, so you can check the status in your page support inbox. So that's how you can really change your Facebook page name. So that's how you can do it, and it is a method. And if you are like you have any questions, and if you haven't got something, let me know in the comment section. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. So thank you for watching. This is Jimmy. Stay safe and goodbye.